Hi, good morning. I want to make a quick video for the wetlands meeting. Video tells the story really well, get everybody up to speed. This is Unfold Farm, Van Gelderen family farm. My wife and I bought it about 3 years ago, 300-year-old farmhouse off of North George's Hill and Kettletown Road. So let me just give you a quick tour, show you what we're up to so we have some context for the meeting tomorrow, okay? We have a couple structures, you know, the barn we fixed up, the chicken tractor we move around, and then we added this new building here. It was a warm winter, so my family came up, my kids came up, we just had a project. This is just for firewood. It's an open slatted structure for let the air through. It's 140 square feet, 10 by 14. And it's 50 feet from the river down there. So as far as I could tell, that was to code. So I should have checked in, but we just wanted to make a project out of it. This is our duck house. So we have 2 ducks that swim in the stream here. And this is an old playhouse that was on the property, like a kid's playhouse that we just converted. And we pushed it here just because it was kind of tucked into the forsythia and near the water, but easy to move. So we're open to whatever the codes are. So here's the stream in question. It's a creek, and we are working on our lawn. We're just we're regrassing, putting seed down. You can see. We just clear everything, and we put this up so that we could just keep the runoff from going into the water. You can see there's rock walls right there. So we just went up to the rock walls. And there's a bunch of existing little waterfalls that are here. There's 8 in total. So if we go up here, you can see that my family and I wanted to just make a walking path here. So it was incredibly overgrown, poison ivy, and probably 20 fallen logs from the big storm many years ago. So we did have some conversations with the planning and zoning when we first moved here, just cleaning things up. But so I do have an excavator, a mini excavator. This is a little one. And there was a lot of huge trees, so I just wanted to get back here and then convert it to a walking path. So you can see, in terms of modifying the stream, you can see I considered all these like waterfalls are existing. So I just didn't want to change any of that. It's the same stream it's always been. I just wanted a little access to be able to walk down here, get past all the garbage. This is a little bridge I made. So it looks like we raised the water, but the waterfall is the same height. The flow is all the same. We just wanted to be able to walk across it. So I put a rock there. And then this area was the worst of like prickers, poison ivy, nasty, you know, unpenetrable and full of fallen trees. So I did the most work up here and basically just cleared it and took the rocks and just edged with it just so the rocks were out of the way, but there's no depth or width change at all. And we got as far as here, and you can see the waterfalls are still going. And if you look closely, you can see, you know, that's what it's been looking like. It's just impenetrable, fallen logs, prickers, and poison ivy. So we just wanted to make a walking path to be able to enjoy the stream. And here's all the logs that we pulled out. So I'm gonna just pull those from the other side up top and get them out of here. Yeah, so that's kind of where we stopped when we got notice. and we just stopped working on it. And that's basically an overview for the meeting, and we can answer any questions regarding what's next. Thanks. Yeah, Joni and I are like little kids running through our property. People fly to a property like this to take hikes at rivers like this. Like, this is stunning. So that's kind of where we're at. We just stopped until we could have a meeting. Missed a couple of meetings for 2 months, so we're looking forward to moving forward. We want to replant with indigenous plants. We're a NOFA farm, which means we're Connecticut organic, and we also are part of the Climate Smart program. So there's a lot of plants on the Climate Smart list that we want to put back in to edge, like grasses and things the ducks like, just to create a habitat. And it's all gonna fill back up really quick. So we're just gonna do a wood chip walkway here, just a walking path. And if we continue, maybe we can use by hand, or I have a little tractor that could go back here. So I just want to be clear on what equipment I can use, you know, what are the codes and process, and we're happy to comply with all that and fix anything that's changed, which we don't think we modified the stream at all. So let us know, and we'll see you guys in the meeting. Thank you.